Welcome to episode 2 of Intro to GFX. Last episode we learned about creating our models. Now we are going to learn how to use Blender. Blender is a free 3D modeling program. If you don't already have it, I will leave the link down below. Delete this box by pressing Delete or X. So first you are going to import the model of your choice. Go to File, Import, Wavefront OBJ and select the .obj file you saved from last video. Now here is the NPC. To navigate around the workspace, hold down the middle mouse wheel or press Shift F. Next you are going to want to select every body part by holding Shift and right-clicking. Then choose Origin to Geometry. Now move the body to the center. To position the camera, press 0 on your numpad. If you don't have a numpad, go to View, Camera. So you can click Shift F again to reposition it. What the camera does is select the parts that are going to be rendered. If you want to pose the character, go into edit mode by pressing Tab, or selecting this right here. You will see the body is split into vertices. But, there needs to be more in order to bend or position these vertices. Go over here to your tools and select Subdivide and click it twice. Now go over here to this triangle and uncheck Auto Smooth. Now there are no weird bumps. Go back into edit mode and click this right here. Press A to deselect all the vertices. Now press B to box select and select the half of the arm. Use the rotate to rotate the lower half of the arm. Go back into object mode and it looks as if the arm is bended. That's it for this video. Next video we'll be learning about lighting and rendering. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe.